how to schedule Instagram Reels on PC. Now, you cannot go ahead and directly schedule Instagram Reels here on your Windows computer, but there is a workaround that you can go ahead and do. Basically, you want to make sure that your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook, and once inside, you basically want to navigate through facebook.com/business/meta business suite. You can just go ahead and search this up on Google. It will go ahead and basically show up at the top of your screen, and right after, it will then go ahead and take you to this page. From here, it will then go ahead and take you to your Facebook account, and basically you want to click on the connect Instagram. Now, after connecting both of your accounts, you can just go ahead and click on the create reel button, and from here you simply want to click on this drop down menu, and you can then go ahead and select your Instagram account. Now, there is no direct way on how you can go ahead and edit Instagram Reels like on your mobile devices, but you can then simply go ahead and adjust or schedule post here on the Meta Business Suite. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and add a random reel here on the website itself. And basically all you have to do is to go ahead and click on next, and from here we can then go ahead and schedule this the way we want to. Click on schedule, we have our date, and we have our time. Now, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.